Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Chamisa has released the good news that Zakamirikwa Zimbabwe. Yes, guys. People have been waiting. When Chamisa got president Mangonyarara, please breathe. Panes rukuitika behind the scenes. Rumor has it that kwa kuchitika talks, and Nasi he actually sent a message. Akati the time is now to release the good news. Say hello to a new Zimbabwe. On Twitter, he also said a new hope for Zimbabwe. Fellow citizens, your victory can't be denied or delayed. It's a sealed and guaranteed. The season of the new is upon us. Zimbabwe shall be known as a blessed nation with a delightful and great people. God is in it, guys. Zvinenge zvazoita hatizivi kuti chii chiri kuitika, but ndizvo zviri kuitika. Guys. My citizens have been impatient. Vakati ko president makangonyarara one, give us a way forward or even a sign. Akati when you know the full script, you don't panic. It will all end in joy and celebration. Vazhinji havasi kunzwisisa vakati is it GNU or what? Akati we have a solid plan, never on their terms but our own terms, and they know it. So whatever is coming, it is actually going to be on CCC terms, not Mazanu PF terms. A lot has been happening, but kurukungonzi nemukuru gadzirai your celebration shoes because something is coming up. We are going to give you more news as the issue unfolds. But in this show, guys, a new Zimbabwe is upon us. Don't know if a new era, Naika.